Hello, welcome back to another video of my channel. I'm Kishal. I hope you all are doing well. So as you know that I have come to USA to join Yale University for my postdoc. So I'm successfully joined here. So I couldn't upload any video for last couple of weeks because moving to a new country, settling here takes some time. So finally I am settled in an apartment here. I have kind of rented an apartment and started staying here. I have joined the lab. The initial formalities are done. So that's why I thought let's have a video sharing my initial experiences here at Yale. So in this video, first I'll show you kind of a rough glimpse about how is my day one day at Yale. So currently it's 9 o'clock in the morning and I'm ready. I have to go to lab. By the way, I'm staying very near to my lab. Like it's a 5 minutes walk from my apartment to my lab. So that I'll first show you, and then I'll answer you a few of the questions that you have asked. So please stay tuned till end. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with other people, and if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe. So chalo, let's start. So currently time is around 9:30, and as you see, I have come to office. So nobody's here now. So in our lab, there are typically I think 9 to 10 PhD student, and I think 2 postdocs are there. But now currently there is no one, and most of the people actually work from home. Very rarely they used to come in the lab. But yeah, I'll come to the lab. I'll do my work in the first half, and then I go back to my apartment again to have my lunch. So yeah, my work for the first half is done. It's 12 o'clock now, and I'll be going to my apartment back for having my bath and my lunch. Okay, so lunch is being done, and currently time is 2:30. So I'll again go back to my office, and I'll do work maybe till 5 or 5:30, and then I'll come back. Yeah, so I'm back, and time now you won't believe it's 7 o'clock in the evening. But yeah, I mean here sunset is a bit late. I think around 7:30 or 8 sunset happens, and till 9 there are some lights that we used to have. So I'm having some tea because it's very cold today. So yeah, I mean that's how kind of the roughly my day nowadays in Yale. So I just thought let's first share with you that how my days are going at Yale. So this is kind of roughly my day at Yale. nowadays. Now I will answer few of the questions that you asked regarding my travel to USA and my postdoc at Yale. So that now I'll be answering. The first question many of you asked me that which visa I am having to coming to USA. So I am currently holding a J1 visa. So this is a kind of short-term non-immigrant visa. So if you want to come to USA for doing your internship or postdoc, then you can come using J1 visa. So typically for internship or research scholar or postdoc, this is the visa that is being given. Now the next question many people who asked me is that whether my family is also traveling with me in the USA. No, unfortunately they are not traveling now. Because my wife is a working woman, so she can't travel with me. But yeah, I mean, after a few months, I'm planning to have my wife and my mother to USA for short term, for a couple of months. For that, they have to apply for the visa. So that process they will start soon. So yeah, that's kind of the plan. So I am staying alone now in the USA. Now, many of you are surprisingly asking me that the procedure to get into postdoc in US universities. So I have made two videos on that topic. So in one of the videos, I have shared my experience, and in other video, overall, I have shared that how to approach the professors, what is the timeline, what are the different steps are there. So if you are interested of doing postdoc in United States, then those two videos link I'll be giving in the description. Please go and have a look. The next question that many of you asked me in the comment section of my post or in the LinkedIn, that how to get into PhD in US universities and what is the situation now. I mean, it is easy to get a PhD or not. So frankly speaking, the situation I am not in a position to judge now because I have just come here. But I can see there are many Indian PhD students are there in my lab. So soon I'll be making few videos regarding that. So I have to talk to those people and get their feedback. If possible, I will bring them also in a podcast in my channel. But yeah, I mean, probably from next month onwards, I'll be trying to make videos that how to get into US universities for PhD. So typical admission time starts from October or November. So you have time, but yeah, obviously from next month onward, I'll try to bring different topics related to PhD admission in USA. So if you're interested, please stay tuned and subscribe the channel so that you get all the notifications. Now the next question that many of you asked me, that what next after postdoc. So this question people are asking me since my MTech days, that what next after MTech, what next after PhD, and now people are asking me what next after postdoc. Frankly speaking, I am not thinking about that much far. Now, currently I want to explore the area that is given to me here at Yale University, and I have to get as many papers as possible from this research area. So currently I'm not working in AI for materials, rather I'm working for AI for medicine. So there are a couple of projects that is given to me here as a postdoc. So I want to explore those areas and I want to finish those projects and get as many papers as possible. And then let's see, maybe from next year I'll start thinking about what next. And obviously, you will be kind of spectator of what's happening in my life because I'll be sharing all of these things through this channel. But yeah, it's too early to think about those things. I'm not thinking about that now. I've just joined postdoc and I have to enjoy life here and I have to explore as much as possible in this university. So yeah, that's it guys. That's it about the video. This is the first video from United States and I'm still settling down here. So that's why this background views and all are not that great. So hopefully soon I'll be having a proper setup. So I still don't have a table. So yeah, I mean, let me know if you have any question or query in the comment section. There are a couple of videos regarding MTech admission I'll be bringing up, and also related to PhD, postdoc. There will be a lot of videos will be coming up. There are some podcasts also I'm planning to have. So please stay tuned. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with other people. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe my channel. That's it about the video. I'll be meeting you in next video. Until then, goodbye.